Hello, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into Diageo Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Diageo Workday and then click on enter. Now find this link which is of myworkdayjobs.com and click on it. After that, you will be redirected to another tab which is of Diageo Workday. Accept the cookies, and at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on it. Now enter your email address and password. Now click on sign in button to log into your Diageo Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Diageo Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to get your new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.